Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, you just click here on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notifications and messages. Then click here on push notifications here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down, click here on crypto price movement. When you just click on it, you come to this list. You come here to crypto price movements, clicking this sign. That like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.